Hello everyone, today we're going to be making an Ankara designed flower vase. I got this vases from IKEA for 79 cents and I've had the Ankara fabrics in the house for about a year now, and it's just been there in the wardrobe. So I just decided to add a little bit of Africa to my guest room, and I took the fabrics. I'm really inspired by the Christmas season because of the star in the fabrics. So I just wrapped them around the flower vase and then glued them together with fabric glue I got from Michael's. You can also get fabric glue and fabric gun from the dollar store or Walmart. They're all affordable in any of these stores. So here I already glued one layer of the Ankara fabric to the flower vase, and I'm trying to fold it neatly. I want it to sit well because once I glue the top, I'm gonna have to tuck in the bottom neatly so that it doesn't affect the top. So I already glued one layer and I'm adding another layer of glue to the fabric to glue the last layer of Ankara over it. So that's just gonna close up, and when I'm done doing this, I'm going to just trim the fragments of fabric remaining at the top neatly so that it doesn't just fold off over like that. So I go up and I trim the fragments remaining. I tuck the edges of the fabric at the bottom and glue everything together so that it sits nicely. Because if it doesn't sit properly, it's gonna be obvious that it's not neat on the bottom. So I had to make sure that I trim it appropriately and glue it neatly. So folding layer by layer and then just gluing every layer I fold so that it sits well on the table or wherever I choose to put this flower vase. So once I'm done doing that neatly, I go back up again, look for any threads. Just because this Ankara fabric that was cut and not sewn, it tends to draw out. So after I'm done that, I just put it and you can see how nice it looks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.